Eyes falling like rain from the sky. City breathing in black and white. Every step feels louder tonight, and silence learns how to cry. 1,000 faces, none feel near. Lost in noise, but I'm still here, talking to a shadow on the wall, like you just stepped down the hall. I'm lost in noise, but I'm still hurt. Every street tastes like your words. In the crowd I say your name low, hope it finds you. Anyway though, I'm lost in noise, but I'm still hurt. All my edges shaped by those words. If you're out there trying not to hear, I'm lost in noise, but I'm still hurt. Taxi glasses catching my face, double image flicker, erased. Laughing mouths that never stay long, plastic joy, disposable songs. You would roll your eyes at this place, yeah. Call it loud but empty of grace. Now I walk the route we knew, half awake and holding you. I'm lost in noise, but I'm still hurt. Every street tastes like your words. In the crowd I say your name low, hope it finds you. Anyway though, I'm lost in noise, but I'm still hurt. All my edges shaped by those words. If you're out there trying not to hear, I'm lost in noise, but I'm still hurt. If silence ever learns to speak, would it say you're coming back to me? If distance ever cracks and breaks, will it echo every move I make? I'm lost in noise, but I'm still hurt. Every street tastes like your words. In the crowd I say your name low, hope it finds you. Anyway though, I'm lost in noise, but I'm still hurt. All my edges shaped by those words. If you're out there trying not to hear, I'm lost in noise, but I'm still hurt.